actually works. It's super cool. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it.
Yo guys, what is going down? So today I learned that there's people that don't have Apple Music that want it and they can't afford it. So I'm going to show you in this video a way to get free Apple Music code so you can use Apple Music for at least a year for free. The code might expire by then, but it's called ogsnags.com. Really cool website. Lots of cool stuff on there, but I'm not really going to get down with that stuff. I'm just going to type in Apple Music, and as you can see, we actually can get a code to get Apple TV for free as well, but not for this video, guys. Today we're doing Apple Music, so press on it. And you can read about it. You can see 40 people today were on the Apple Music page and they got a code. Or at least they tried to get a code. So I'm going to press the button that says show coupon code and it's going to start generating my personal code. So once it generates, there's going to be a button that says get full code or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And now it's going to bring me over here. So this is the last step. So it says missing files, additional files are required. So what I have to do is download 2 of these apps, which are all free from the App Store. No one really cares, but you got to do it, guys. This is very important to get Apple Music for free. Now, I don't know what apps are going to show up for you. I live in the US, so these are the ones that are on the US page. But you can see Lucky Match, for instance, it says reach level 13. All right, I can download this and reach level 13. Not that hard. I can even do it over 2 days. I don't got to do it all at once. Then we got like Mode Casino. This one's like search something up and open it, so that's pretty easy. But yeah, then you get Apple Music for free, bro. So how can you complain? So let me just type in Apple Music cost, and we're going to check out what we're doing. So as you can see, it's going to be around $10.99 a month, and then there's a $16 family plan, which I'm assuming you guys are not interested in. But if you'd rather save that $10.99 a month, guys, then I'm the one to tell you what to do. Go to OG Snags. Just get on OG Snags, bro. Don't even think about it, bro. So yeah, super cool, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you get all depressed through not being able to have Apple Music, well then don't be depressed anymore, guys. I got the video for you. Free Apple Music, fully working. No one can stop you. This is legit, and OG Snags is fully verified by all the people because it has a lock on it. If there was no lock on it, guys, you would be featuring badness. I don't really know how to see that anymore, but there should be a way to see it. I don't know. Maybe it's in here. Yeah, look at this. Connection security details. As you can see, website is totally valid until March 27th. So that's cool. So, yeah, I mean, I guess in March it will be a bad site to be on, but I doubt they will let that slide. They'll probably renew it. So, yeah, OG Snags. And yeah, Apple Music sucks, like, paying for it. Like, bro, they don't even got all the songs. But when you get it for free, you're like, dang. Maybe you don't want Spotify Premium, you want to be different. Well, fine, you can be different. I'm not going to judge you. I'm an Apple Music user myself. But yeah, that's how to do it, guys. So OG Snags, this is the place to be if you want to get that Apple Music for free. But yeah, one thing I want to mention is, I don't really know if this is true, but someone said that you should not turn on low power mode while you're doing the verification part. Now, I'm obviously not doing it in this video, but apparently low power mode is booty and it makes your device really slow, so it's going to be hard to download those apps you need for the verification. So if that's true, which it seems to be, then don't be doing that, guys. I gotta keep low power mode on because I'm just making the video, but for you guys who are doing this process, do not do that if that is the case. You can read about it on Reddit, read about it on TikTok. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you like this kind of content, because I'm always pumping out new videos. If I get like lots of support in the comments about like a certain topic, then I'll be making a video on that topic. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, that's how to get Apple Music for free, bro. Ooh.